Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again on my new video. Today I will show you how to make hot Spanish latte. So I need condensed milk. This condensed milk already I fill here, and fresh milk. So let's start this video. So guys, first I will take condensed milk, this one, 30 ml, 30 gram, then I will take fresh milk, 170. Then mix well fresh milk and condensed milk. See, already mix condensed milk and fresh milk. Now espresso. This is glass for hot Spanish latte. This glass size 8 OZ, 8 ounce. Bismillah. I need a double shot for hot Spanish latte. Time 25. I need 38, 39, yes, 39 ml, 39 milli. Must be good your milk frothing. This is Spanish latte, hot Spanish latte. So guys, hope you like my video, and this video is for you so helpfully, so please like and share and comment, and if you new here, so please subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz. Assalam.